Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable and use gesture navigation on Vivo. If you are using this navigation and now you want to change it to gesture navigation, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for system. Here's the system management, just select it and then you'll get system navigation. Just tap on it. And here you can see that 3 button navigation and the gesture navigation. You just have to tap on gesture navigation to select it and your gesture navigation will be enabled. Now you can easily use gesture navigation on your phone, but if you won't found the settings, you just have to tap on settings and here go for search bar and search for navigation. Just search for it and you will get the setting. You just have to tap on system navigation or gesture navigation, just tap on it and then you can easily use or change your system navigation into gesture navigation. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.